If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much. If you're watching my videos and if not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's free of charge and that's the only way you get to support me. Let's jump in today's video. Today I'm making a very quick, heavy breakfast. Yeah, you may call this mokimo. In my mother tongue, we call this mokene. There's some who say omushenye. So it depends. But if you have boiled sweet potatoes at home, let me show you a quick recipe. Have this as your breakfast and you automatically forget about lunch. I just love the taste of these onions in my mokimo, but it's optional, so it's not a must. So I'm not going to use everything displayed here because some are just to get you into that car breakfast mode, So just to appetize you. You can use any cooking oil of your choice, but kidogo tu just to brown your onions, okay? If you like my recipes, please motivate me by liking, share, subscribing and commenting. By the I reply to every comment like immediately. When I see a comment, I feel so glad. I read it like thrice, then reply. So yeah, comment. I'm just adding salt, but you can spice your mokimo to your liking. There's no any right method of cooking, my dear. Cooking is an art, so you come up with your own art, okay? I'm adding in 2 glasses of water, but you can also do cow milk. You can also do coconut milk. Like you can do any liquid of your choice. Cover that and make sure it overcooks. Yeah, make sure it overcooked so that it gives you an easy time when mashing. Yeah, like don't let like isiungue, but you see, this is what I mean. So that it gives you an easy time when mashing, okay? Yeah, hapa ndio kazi iko sasa. Please don't blend cause we still want to retain that roughage, unajua? Yeah, don't blend. You can pair this up with juice, any blended juice, tea, any beverage of your choice. And today I choose porridge. Yeah, porridge. I'm doing porridge with this. And again, it's not a must to do this at breakfast. No, unaweza ikula lunchtime, supper, it suits any time of the day. Yeah, porridge. I meant it. We meet again in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to pray. Prayer is a weapon. Bye.